Okay, here we have my friend Jerry M's 64 Chevy Impala Super Sport. This car is a 327 4-speed manual. Engine's built up. The engine was misfiring and popping back through the intake. So I suspect the camshaft, one of the camshaft lobes or one or more camshaft lobes to be worn out. And I've got a remote starter hooked up. We're going to check the passenger side and watch for little to no movement on the rocker arm. And that side's good. On the other hand, driver's side, one of them is barely moving. So it looks like my first gut feeling that it was a worn camshaft lobe is probably going to hold true. So we'll have to do a little further tear down and confirm this.